the front view of the property. Nice porch area, double pane windows. We have a neighbor. They've requested to have a fence over here, but currently there is not. Decent sized yard with some mature trees. Definitely need some TLC in the front. So here we go. Okay, and there is a big living room. Shutter windows. Really big living room though. Okay, very spacious. Okay, and this has a kitchen. Very big kitchen as well. New flooring. The bank put in the new flooring. Huge space. Okay, I just want to show how big this living room is, or this dining room is, and the kitchen. So great layout for a family. You have a little bar over here, a huge dining area and kitchen that is open concept that goes right out to it. Wet bar. This side of the yard is concrete and private. And this is a storage shed, so a detached garage, so extra garage space. Okay, we got skylights, and then this side of the garage, another door. Okay, huge yard space and patio. So off of the kitchen, you see all of this cabinet space here. It's incredible, so much storage. And this is the water heater. So this kitchen goes right into this water heater. And then there's the second bathroom here, which is a full bathroom. It's kind of a funky layout, but it is fully functional. Into this bedroom. So this bedroom goes quickly to the kitchen, but it has to go past the water heater. And the bedrooms do have storage in the closets. This is an extra storage pantry, or I'm sorry, linen closet. Okay, and this is the living area with the bedrooms here, full rooms with big closets with storage. This goes into the main bathroom, new flooring, green tile, but nice, spacious. Lots of counter space. And then this is the final bedroom. So this one looks out to the front yard. Carpet throughout here. And this looks like it goes into the attic. But overall, it appears to be in good condition. The front yard could use a little TLC. Let me show the garage. Okay, so this garage might have been open at one point, but it's sealed and it has walls all finished. An oversized one carve out. And then you have the detached garage as well.